So, hey everyone, welcome back to the another lecture of C++ tutorial. That is lecture number 2. If you are new here, don't forget to check out the previous videos where we covered comment variable. Yeah, I will show you that is comment variable and identifiers. Okay, these were the stepping stone to writing any program. So today we are going to talk about data types. So I will write that data types and typecasting. Okay, these are the two fundamental concepts that determine how data is stored and manipulated in a program. By the end of this video, you will understand how to choose the right data type and convert one data type to another, that is, one data type to another one. We can convert this. Okay, so yeah, let's start the video. So, first one is what is mean by data type? So, I will write that question, or you can say what are the data types. Data types specify what kind of data a variable can hold. For example, it is a whole number which is starting from 0, fractional, single character, or we can say that is true or false. Or false. Just a second. Yeah. Think of data type as a container. Each container of each container can store or hold a specific type of data. That, like, this is a container, it can store integer, character, fractional value, whatever they want. Okay, in C++, data type are characterized mainly in three types. Mainly in three types of data type. Okay, so yeah, start. First one is basic data types. So in these, there are like mainly most of the common data is there, like integer, float, character, bool, that is true or false. Yeah, you know that. So I cover this in the before video. You can check that is integer means like 1, 2, 3. Float means like decimal values like 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, like that. Characters means any value like or letter a, b up to z, or we can say small z. And boolean means only true or false. Okay, so let's take an example of these values. Okay, so we are going to replace. So I write, so integer age we are taking 21. About price we are taking price 10. About character we take capital A. And about boolean we take it as true. Okay, so yeah, this is like the integer value stored the whole number, and the second float stored a decimal number, character stored a single character, and the boolean stored a true or false value. So I hope you get this. Okay, so let's back to the notepad. So the second one is derived data type. This includes arrays, pointers, and references, which we will cover in the later video. So don't think about this. So just make sure that a derived data type include array, pointer, and references. Okay. So let's moving forward to the third type, that is user defined. User defined data type. You can create your own data. You can create own data using like structure, classes, and enums. So don't think about this later. What is this or sentence? I will cover this in the upcoming videos. Okay. So now moving forward, each data type has a specific size in memory. This size depends on the compiler and system architecture. But I will show you the common example. Like we are making a table that is data type, size, third one is a range. So first one is for integer, the size is 4 bytes and the range is, you don't have to remember this value, that is 2,147,483,6,482, not negative, 2,147,483,6,4,7. Okay, so you don't have to remember this range. I'm just writing this. Okay, the second one is float. This is also a size of 4 bytes and this range is approximately 3.4 e to the power minus 38. So you can assume that 2 3.4 e to the power plus 38. So it's too wide. So don't remember this value or range. Just I am telling you, just cover your ideas and basics. Okay. Third one is double. It is of 8 types. So you can see that is the sentence, or you can say later is already told you that it's a double. So for double of 4, that is 8. So it is of range 1.7 e to the power minus 308 to the 1.7 e to the power plus 308. So you assume how much this value. The fourth one is character. Character is of only 1 byte, that is it's only a character. Okay, so it's of only 1 byte. So his value is 128 to 127, or just we can say 0 to 255. So, so moving forward, the fifth one is boolean, that is bool. So it has only two values, that is first one is true and another one is true, and the size of this is 1 byte. So the range is only true, that is 1, and for false it's 0. To check the size of data type, you can use the size of bracket function. Okay, so if you want to check the size of any data type, so you just simply write size of and bracket function. Okay, so you get the size of that value in byte. So let's check the size of anything. I will write the code first, so you can fast forward this. Include size of integer. and then write size. So I directly replace it. Okay. So just copy, paste. So this is a float, its character. And last one is good. Again change this size of float, size of character. And last one is good. And the last but not the least, return 0. So yeah, this is the code of like size of integer that is 4 byte, size of float that is 4 byte, character is of 1 byte, boolean is also 1 byte. Okay, so let's move further. That is typecasting. Typecastings, which is all about converting one data type into another, or we can say one data type to another. Okay, the compiler automatically convert. That is sorry. So first we are checking how many types of typecasting. So there are only two type of typecasting. Two types of typecasting. The first one is implicit typecasting. The compiler automatically convert one data type to another. That is compiler convert. Compiler convert one data type to another one. Like we are taking an example, for example, when dividing an integer by a float, that is integer divided by float, the integer is automatically promoted to the float. So after the divide, we get the value is of float format. Okay, so second one is explicit typecasting. You manually specify the conversion. We have to do manually specify by the data type. Okay, so we are check remove this one. That is the integer. Now let's do 5. See how it is. So this is the example of the implicit function. Okay. So now we are writing the example of the explicit. That is, we are not changing. We are changing only this value. That is in bracket. We write float number and this. Okay. So this is the example of the explicit value. If you have any doubt in these two code or two typecasting, you can comment me your doubt. I will solve your doubt. Okay. So let's relate this to the real world imagine. Okay, imagination. Imagine data type are a different type of container. An integer, an integer is like a cup for a whole number. Like we can say, this one is a cup, not that much, but yeah, for a whole number. Okay. And a float is like a measuring char for liquids with decimal. So yeah, for float as well, we are taking char or whatever, just taking a one content. Okay. The third one is character. A character label like a product representing a single letter or like character. So if there is any advertisement, so yeah, like we are taking car. So this is the label that is the only letter, or just we can assume this car as a one letter only. Okay. Let's see. This one is a, and the fourth one is a boolean. It's like switch that is either on or off. We can say like we are taking the example of bulb. Okay, so we are taking on or off only. So only we have only two options. Okay, so typecasting is likely pouring water from one container into another. Like basically this is a container. So we have to turn or just checking. Basically this is one container and this is the another one. So we are just putting the values, or we can say water into another container from one container one. This one is the container two. I hope so you get my point. Like this is the water, but not in real life, not in coding. Okay. So yeah, now we are taking the code demonstration. So now, so let's moving further. I'm writing the code integer a equals to 10, float b equals to, let's take a 5 value 3.14, character c is equal to take k, and about boolean I'm taking flag, it's true. Okay, so now we are writing cout values. So just a second. So for cout, against start cout against start cout integer. Okay, a and a. So I just copy and paste this for other three. So just change the value, integer, float, character, and boolean. Okay, and just change this value as well. That is b, that is c. Last one is flag. Okay, now moving further to the, this all is the types, like this is all of data types. Okay, now anytime. So we are taking integer 3, or we can say take it up 5. Then taking float y equals to, we are making a x value to the float, that is float x divided by 2. Okay, now we are at the input, that is cout explicit typecasting result. Okay, so then just write by, and last one is set. So this is the demonstration of our code. Okay, in our next video we will discuss operations. So, or you can say operators in C++. Okay, include arithmetic, relational, and logical operators. So stay. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Drop your question or any feedback in the comment section. So see you tomorrow. Bye bye.